Welcome back to AI Joyful Discoveries, where we dive into the latest in tech and digital tools to make your life easier and more productive. Today, we're exploring an incredible feature called Mimic Me. Get ready to revolutionize the way you interact with AI. Mimic Me is a cutting-edge functionality designed to personalize your AI experience. It allows the AI to adopt your writing style, making interactions seamlessly reflect your unique voice. Whether you're drafting emails, creating content, or simply having fun, Mimic Me ensures the AI speaks your language. But why use Mimic Me? Imagine having an AI assistant that not only understands your instructions but also communicates in a way that's distinctly you. It's about adding a personal touch to the digital realm, ensuring your communications are consistently on brand and authentic. Getting started is easy. First, you'll need to provide the AI with examples of your writing. This could be anything from blog posts and emails to social media updates. The more varied the examples, the better Mimic Me can adapt to your style. Step 1. Collect your writing samples. Aim for a range of tones and contexts to give the AI a comprehensive understanding of your style. Step 2. Input these samples into Mimic Me. You can do this by pasting your text into the designated area or uploading documents directly. Step 3. Fine-tune the output. Mimic Me allows you to provide feedback and make adjustments, ensuring the AI's output aligns perfectly with your expectations. Let's see it in action. Here are some practical examples where Mimic Me mirrors the user's writing style across different scenarios. Notice the nuanced differences that make each response feel personal and authentic. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes Mimic Me stand out. Beyond basic style mimicry, it offers advanced features like tone adjustment for different contexts, be it professional emails or casual blog posts. It can even match styles from famous writers to give your text a unique flair. Here are more examples showcasing Mimic Me's versatility. Notice how it adapts a formal report into a compelling blog post, transforms a straightforward product description into a vibrant narrative, and even rewrites social media updates to better engage with different audiences. Don't just take our word for it. Here are some success stories from users who've harnessed the power of Mimic Me to enhance their digital communications. From authors who've found their perfect voice to businesses that have streamlined their brand messaging across platforms, the possibilities are endless. You can ask Mimic Me to generate a Twitter to everyone in your class, using Donald Trump style, no greetings, and a clear call to action to finish home in time. Facing challenges with Mimic Me? You're not alone. Some users find it takes time to perfectly capture their style. Here are some troubleshooting tips. Provide a wider range of samples, use the feedback loop to correct inaccuracies, and don't hesitate to reset your profile if you're seeking a fresh start. Mimic Me is all about customization. Dive into the advanced settings to fine-tune how it interprets your style. Adjust for formality, humor, and even sarcasm. Plus, you can set preferences for different types of content, ensuring Mimic Me always hits the right note. With Mimic Me, the future of personalized AI communication is here. It's time to make your mark with a digital assistant that truly speaks your language. Explore its features, embrace its capabilities, and transform the way you communicate online. Let us get to sample use case. Explain the concept of blockchain technology to a non-technical audience, using simple language, analogies to everyday concepts, and avoiding jargon. Make it informative yet easy to understand. See output.
Imagine a world where every transaction is transparent, secure, and without a central authority. This world seems magical, yet it's real, thanks to blockchain technology. But what is blockchain? Let's simplify it using the metaphor of a magical notebook. Imagine every transaction you make is a note in this notebook, visible to everyone but unchangeable. This ensures transparency and security, as no single person can alter the notes. Now, let's journey into the ordinary world of traditional transactions. Here, transactions are slow, costly, and often require a middleman. The call to adventure begins with blockchain, offering a new path. Understanding blockchain can be a trial with its concepts of decentralization and digital currency. Yet the revelation of the magical notebook metaphor transforms confusion into clarity. With this new understanding, the transformation is profound. Blockchain is not just technology, it's a revolution. Returning to the ordinary world, we now see transactions through the lens of blockchain. The conflict of mistrust and complexity in transactions finds resolution in blockchain's simplicity and security. As we embrace blockchain, we unlock a future of transparent, secure, and efficient transactions. Together, let's step into this new era, where every transaction tells a story of trust and innovation.
Let us get to another sample use case. Write a humorous social media post about the challenges of remote work, using lighthearted humor, relatable experiences, and a casual tone. Include a playful call to action for followers to share their own stories. Here is the outcome.
Ever wondered how the remote work revolution looks behind the screens? Our journey begins with the quest for the perfect morning coffee, an adventure in its own right. Then, the first challenge, securing a fortress of solitude for that first video call. As the day unfolds, our workspace turns into a battlefield, with pets as the unpredictable foes. Lunchtime is a tale of forgotten meals, rediscovered amidst the chaos of deadlines. The afternoon brings its own saga, the quest for the lost Wi-Fi signal. Distractions abound. The siren call of an unmade bed is often too strong to resist. Yet, amidst the chaos, moments of genius emerge as ideas flow freely from the comfort of our couch. The day's end approaches, and the home office transforms back into a living space. Reflections on the day's victories and mishaps bring a sense of shared struggle and triumph. As the night falls, the remote worker's spirit remains undeterred, ready for tomorrow's adventures. In the world of remote work, every day is a blend of challenges and joys, uniquely ours. Together, we navigate the uncharted waters of working from home, a journey both personal and universal. Our shared experiences bind us, creating a community that thrives in the face of adversity. And so, as we close the chapter on another day, we look forward to the stories yet to be told.